Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to back up Android contacts to Gmail. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Backing up your Android contacts to Gmail is a smart move to ensure you don't lose important information. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So firstly, find the Contacts app on your Android device. It's usually pre-installed and may be labeled as Contacts. Tap on it to open it. Once you're in the Contacts app, tap on the three lines on the left corner. In the Settings menu, you should see an option related to Manage Accounts. Tap on it, then go to Sync Contacts. If you've already added your Google account to your device, you'll see it listed here. Inside your Google account, make sure Contacts is toggled on. This ensures that your contacts will be synchronized with your Google account. Now, if you want to make sure the syncing happens immediately, you can usually find an option to sync or force sync within the account settings, so go ahead and tap on it. Once you've completed these steps, your Android contacts should be backed up to your Gmail account. You can access them by logging into Gmail on any device or by visiting the Google Contacts website. Any changes you make to your contacts or Android device will automatically sync with your Gmail account, ensuring your contacts are always up to date and securely backed up. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.